Shubor Nagashlam Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka special intensive revision jongka electoral roll ha ka jila kalarung shakbinta ka bakong san ha ka ba hadu hendriu lak san puwe hajar hendriu spa sapu saungut ki Nongthep vote kila sha pen ithu ban yo jingpen shisha shu u chief electoral officer ka jila u BDR Tiwari habakren shikin Nongthok khobor ha ka sni baar ula pentip bana kini Arlak arpu hajar nyos pa prapun riungut kidei ki bahap hapo kan no mapping category katba saulak arpu hajar praspa sanpu pratli kidei ki mukot duma ki badan haka jing bam yadei haka mapping u Tiwari ulo ongru bagi bor penyal election kila dep ban penmi hendriu lak saulai hajar sauspa live khandai teli ki notice na kini saulak nyopu hajar Arspa khat nyotali kila poi shaki Nongthep vote. Hadu menta ladap ban penlong jing bishar yaki hendriu hajar lai spa sabu lai tali ki mukot duma. Ha kaba kumba shispa khandai pusangut ki Nongthep vote la Shym ba kimlong ki babit bandon ha ka electoral roll hadien ka jing penshisha bat penkot ru yaki mukot duma. Ha ka juk kapor ka SIR kala yok ban pediang ru ya kumba san hajar Sanspa anyo pun rotli ki application thamai na do kapor balapan mi ia ka draft electoral roll. Nangta kajing bishar ki mukot duma ha ki khat southly ki assembly constituency ha East Khasi Hills lapin sange shipor namar kajing long jing man jong ka an bat ka shong suk shong san. Henry kani kajing pin sange kam kenthop ye ki constituency ka shela pin ursla bat sora. UBDR Tiwari ula kentu ya baro ki Nongthep vote ki bayo ye ka notice ban wan shaki hearing hakapor balabu bat ban wan ra ki kot kisla ki badan kam khnang ban pen shisha bat pen bet ye ki nu ki jing bam ye dei ha ka jing tip jongki ha ka electoral roll.
The MP election schedule will be announced after the SIR process will be over, so at least the roll have to be ready. After that, as whenever schedule will be given by Honorable Election Commission of India, then accordingly by election will held in the state.
Process कब तक finish होने के chances?
As per present schedule, the SIR process will be over by 7th of October with the publication of the final. The continued participation of the political parties and their booth level agents as well as other stakeholders is very much necessary in maintaining transparency, inclusiveness and public confidence in the entire revision process. So further to the electors, we would like to say, if your name is in the draft electoral roll and mapped with SIR 2005, around 2/3 of the total existing electors are in that category, so no further action is required in their cases. But if your name is in the draft electoral roll but not mapped with SIR 2005, then there is a mapping or there is mapping discrepancy, you may receive a notice for hearing from ERO. So don't ignore the notice, attend the hearing on the date specified and produce the required supporting document. And if your name is not found in the draft electoral roll, you can still check that and you can still apply for inclusion by submitting Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form and supporting document during this claim and objection period, which is till 4th of September 2026. And this timeline for filing of claim and objection is at present till 4th of September, but the notice phase and disposal of claim objections will continue till 3rd of October 2026, when the date of final publication is 7th October. So we particularly advise not to all the electors not to ignore notices received from ERO and to utilize the opportunity of hearing to furnish required document and clarify any discrepancy in their electoral record. Those whose hearing have been temporarily suspended in the affected assembly constituencies in East Khasi Hills district should await the revised hearing schedule from the concerned election authority. We further appeal to all electors, political parties and BLAs, as well as traditional institutions, Darbar Sunong, Nokmas, civil society organizations, especially to the media and all other stakeholders, to continue extending their cooperation and support during this ongoing phase of special intensive revision. So they should check their name and cooperate with the election authorities. Our process is just to make sure that no ineligible citizen remain in the electoral roll, but more importantly, no eligible citizen to be left out. So in respect to the field activities, people are getting notices and they have to produce documents, so there are some inconvenience being caused, and in several cases the documents might not be properly available, especially in the case of the discrepancies. So districts are working very closely in the purview of law how to get it rectified and then apply proper discretion in all such cases in consultation with the local authorities in purview of law, and to facilitate all such eligible electors so they should not have any problem and their names should remain in the electoral roll. So your cooperation, especially the media side, is very, very important. I once again would like to extend our sincere thanks and gratitude all stakeholders, including the team members, all the electors, local institutions, media and other stakeholders to get this exercise done successfully and make our role error-free and healthy for a better democracy. Thank you. We are assessing entire situation, and we will inform all such things to the ECI for their notice also.
Okay. And so since like right now people, like when we talk to them, so they are a bit panicked because once they get the notice, so wherever they are, they have to appear, and regarding the documents, some are saying that their name was exactly the same when it was in the electoral roll. So can you just tell us, like, is there anything for them?
There might be, they might receive notice due to some discrepancy. Like the people who are having more than 6 children, being a tribal area, in the field also we come across and number of people having more than 6 children linked with same parents. So a good number of cases has come, and but since the process is ongoing, I request all of them at least to cooperate with our election authority. It is just a verification, so it is not to deprive them with any right or any legitimate right of any such eligible citizen, just to verify if it is the correct thing, and they will do with the due procedure, so it will not cause any inconvenience later to the person concerned.
So can you give us the reason regarding the cancellation of the
there is the law and order situation in the East Khasi Hill district. So accordingly, since section 163 of BNSS is also been imposed, and then law and order situation was not okay. So accordingly, they have cancelled the ongoing.
So you have sent the notice to all those who have not mapping and then the
discrepancies.
Discrepancies. So how many of them have come forward to produce their documents all over this time?
So as per the hearing schedule, I already told, hearing held for the 62,343 person altogether in the state till time. That is 9.69% of the total hearing.